students. This video is for grade 9th and 11th. Those who are appearing this year for 2021-22 in 9th and 10th, 9th and 11th, you consider yourself that you are giving exam in 2023, 10th and 12th. So you take this as 2 years program. Don't consider it as 1 year program. Yes, 1 year is there for 9th and 11th and 2 years for 9th and 11th. Okay. My strategy is that I always strategize my students accordingly. So whosoever is watching, it is for you. The same strategy if you follow. Okay. I teach CBSE, ICSE, ISC, IB board, IGCSE board and Maharashtra State board. But this is not for IGCSE and IB board students. I will make separate video for you. But rest of the other boards, you all can follow this strategy because this strategy is common pan-India and across the world wherever CBSE, ICSE and ISC schools are there. So this is 9th and 11th is purely school examinations. Your school has been given the full authority to take exams the way they want. There are schools who take every Monday, that is called periodic test. There are schools who take 2 UTs before half yearly and 2 UTs after half yearly before the annual exam. And they take any permutation combination in the subjects and they can make it any topics. They are free to do that. Nobody can restrict them because board has given them authority. So what is the strategy here? The strategy over here is you have to prepare daily basis. Important. Daily basis. Till 31st, till yesterday, if you have not prepared anything, don't regret it. I will show you the way how you can prepare it. If you are prepared, great. You have done a great job. My students have done 2 to 3 chapters in their subject. So they are really doing great and rocking. Don't worry. Say for example, today is 1st June and you have done certain subjects. You have done, say for example, 4 subjects today. And 4 subjects, every teacher taught you half an hour or 50 minutes, 40-50 minutes, right, in school. So this 50 minutes school preparation takes actually 30 to 40 minutes in your preparation. Okay, because the teacher taught for the entire class. And for you, for single preparation, for you, it will take 30 minutes, 45 minutes. It depends on person to person, child to child. Yes, but it will take 2 to 3 hours to finish today's curriculum, whatever you have done today in school. What you will do then? If you have not prepared yet anything previously, so you can go and take what you have done in yesterday in the school, just go through it, prepare it. And slowly, you just, you try to compensate that which you have not done earlier. You will do now, and slowly you will cope up with the things. Why I am telling you, you might have heard that 9th and 11th are difficult than 10th and 12th boards. Absolutely wrong. Myth. It's myth. Only the strategy is different. 9th is much easier than 10th and 11th is much easier than 12th. But the strategy of preparation of 9th and 11th is different. Okay. So 9th strategy is that whatever the work is being done today, finish it today. 11th, the same strategy. If you have done small topic today, do it today itself and finish and enjoy your day. You will be champion. You will be scoring. I know last year I had students, last year students who have scored 95-96% marks in grade 9th. What you want? They were there. So it can be achievable. It can be achievable. The only thing is that strategy. You must know what is the strategy to prepare it. Okay. So I'm the one who will give you the strategy. Don't worry for it. This is the first beginning video for this 2022 grade 9th and 11th students. I will continue many videos time to time. Don't worry for that. Just work hard. Just work hard. And you will change the table of your life. I'm telling you. Here, 9th is the beginning. And I start classes from 9th students. 9th class only. Okay. So I deal with all 13 to 17 years old children from last 23 years. So I had seen lots of students, hundreds and thousands of students that passed through me, and I know what they have done, what they asked to do, and they have not done. Later they regretted, sir, आपने बोला था नहीं किया. It happens. It's okay. Fine. Okay. So what is the mantra? The mantra is whatever is being done in your school on a particular day, do it on that day. That is the only mantra of 9th and 11th. CBSE, ICSE, ISC, Maharashtra State Board and other state boards. The same strategy is applicable everywhere, wherever you go, wherever all these boards exist, pan-India and the entire world. So, whosoever is watching this video, grade 9th and 11th students, start preparation from today. If you need any assistance, anything, you can put it in comment box and you will find me. I will be available for you. Okay. Digitally, I am available. Don't worry. Thank you so much. All the best for listening.